What's going on, y'all? Welcome to a brand new video. This is your boy Pork Chop. Gonna bring you a brand new video. Went to Subway. Look at that, Subway. I just got a meatball sub. The bread is a herb Italian bread with American cheese, lettuce, tomatoes, jalapenos, and Parmesan cheese. Let's dig into it. Hope you like this video, like and subscribe, and I hope you enjoy this video. And all right, this is the herb. You got the herb Italian bread. I got it toasted. Look at that. Lettuce, tomatoes, the meatball sub, American cheese. Bam. Whoops. I'm dropping my meatball. Hope you enjoyed this video. Like and subscribe to Pork Chop. And let's dig into it. Oh, shit. My meatball just rolling all over. Look at that. Got on my hand, my arm. Got on my shirt. Chihuahuas. All right. One thing, they should cut the meatballs. Like, just chop it up a little bit. Now let's put this meatball back. There we go. Temperature wise, it's just hot. Got my Sprite with me. Sprite. But yeah, enjoy this video. Like and subscribe. My meatball's trying to go away. I gotta put them back in. See, these meatballs, oh dang it, too hot. See, these meatballs too big, they should chop it up. Too hot, temperature wise, too hot. But I'm still eating it. Wow. Oh yeah. This past Saturday, I met Jay Kinda Funny and his girlfriend Amariah. Two wonderful people. They're awesome, and they're so nice. Met them for the first time. They came here to San Antonio for the first time. They're awesome people. But I love their content, their videos, their YouTube videos. Pretty funny. And their TikTok, their little short videos. That's awesome. That's amazing. Oh, damn it. meatball just falling everywhere. Yeah, Jay kind of funny. He's cool. He's a good person to chill with, because I went to the club with him with his other friends and my friend Jay. Because there's two Jays, and we call him. One of them is Jay kind of funny. He does the videos, and then my other friend Little J. Shout out to him. Yeah, they're all great people. Fun to chill with, hang out with. They're awesome people. God bless to all three of them. Amariah, Jay kind of funny, and Little J. Like I said, they're all great people. And I told Jay kind of funny that I've been doing food reviews, and shout out to him that he inspires me also. Him and his girlfriend Amariah, they're like wonderful people, man. But I wish one day I could like go to Florida and meet them over there. I'm on my second sandwich. Got me a foot long, and the server is pretty good. But doing my best. Doing my best to make videos for you guys. Trying to stay consistent, but I'm pushing myself little by little, but trying to bring you videos because I like making videos, but trying to just struggling a little bit, but I'm just keeping positive. Always keep positive. It's a nice day here in San Antonio. Sunny, but the sun's going down a little bit. Because I'm always hanging out with Little J. Whenever he needs help, I go over there, help him out. Helping other people also. But they're all great people. And I'm almost done with the sandwich. I'm a little bit dirty right now, but that's okay. But let's get to it. These meatball sub sandwich on a herb Italian bread, meatball sub, American cheese, with the bread is toasted with lettuce, tomatoes, and jalapenos, and Parmesan cheese. So I gave that a nice I give it a 7. And if they would have chopped up the meatball sub, like the little meatballs, but if they would have chopped up the meatball sub and they would have chopped it up and everything, and the meatball won't fly everywhere. It's kind of messy though, but it's alright though. But that's what meatball sub is. Kind of messy a little bit. But if they would have chopped it up, that would be like a nice 10. But other than that, that was delicious. And that's it for today's video. Hope you like and subscribe. Shout out to Jay and Mariah. Nice meeting you guys. Stay tuned for the next video. And till next time, peace out. Stay blessed, everyone. And don't forget to like and subscribe to Pork Chop. Thank you very much. And yeah, stay tuned. Peace out.